MCQs number 1. The term economist used to describe a person's level of satisfaction or happiness with their answer is A option. Utility. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that answer is option number B. Additional utility from each subsequent unit decreases. MCQs number 3. If Joe's has $56, t-shirt cost $14 and movies cost $7, what is the vertical intercept of his budget constraint, movies or vertical axis? The answer is option number C, 8. MCQs number 4. According to the utility maximizing rule, a consumer should allocate income so that the answer is option number B. Marginal utility per dollar is equal across all goods. MCQs number 5. In Joe's case, the utility maximizing combination was the answer is option number D. 1 t-shirt and 6 movies. MCQs number 6. A normal good is defined as one for which the answer is option number B. Demand increases when income increases. MCQs number 7. An inferior good is one for which the answer is option number B. Demand decreases as income rises. MCQs number 8. The substitution effect refers to the answer is option number A. Consuming less of a good whose price has risen relative to others. MCQs number 9. When the price of a good increases, the budget constraint rotates. The answer is option number C. Clockwise, pivoting from the vertical axis. MCQs number 10. In figure 6.5, as the price of housing increases, the quantity demanded of housing, the answer is option number B, decreases. Short answer and questions. The question number 1 is define marginal utility and the law of diminishing marginal utility. Answer. Marginal utility is the additional utility gained from consuming one more unit of a good. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as a person consumes additional unit of a good, the marginal utility from each subsequent unit decreases. Question number 2. What is the utility maximizing rule for a consumer with a fixed budget? Answer. A consumer maximizes utility when the marginal utility per dollar spent is equal for all goods. This means the last dollar spent on each good provides the same additional satisfaction. Question number 3. Distinguish between normal goods and inferior goods. Answer. Normal goods are those for which demand increases as income increases. Inferior goods are those for which demand decreases as income increases, as consumers switch to more preferred alternative. Question number 4. Explain the difference between the substitution effect and the income effect. Answer. The substitution effect occurs when a price change makes consumers substitute toward relatively cheaper goods. The income effect occurs when a price change effectively reduces purchasing power, leading to less consumption of normal goods. Question number 5. According to the chapter, how does a budget concentrate change when the price of one good increases? Answer. When the price of a good increases, the budget constraints rotates inward clockwise. From the vertical axis, the consumer can afford less of the goods while the maximum quantity of the other goods remains unchanged.